Hello, Indiana Virtual. In this lesson, we are going to talk about, or in this video, we are going to talk about your next lesson, 0404, Impacts on Our Ecosystem. So, as always, go open the lesson. And on the introductory page here, scroll down to the bottom, open up the biology notebook, or go over to our Google website and open up the biology notebook. And here you can see what it is that we are going to be learning about, impacts on our ecosystem. We'll be reading about the effects of the human population on growth in catastrophic events on ecosystems, pollution, loss of biodiversity, and sustainable development, as well as some resources. So topics you will read about are the greenhouse effect, greenhouse gases, climate change, catastrophic events that have happened to ecosystems. This actually will be tied into your next lesson, 0404B, in which you do a mini research project on one location around the world. Well, there's 3 locations to choose from in the next lesson, and you'll do a little research project on how that community had been devastated. Okay, back to this lesson though, we have impact on our ecosystems and then sustainable practices for environmental protection. Okay, so there's your notes page. And if we go back to the lesson here, we have 8 slides in this one. So once you've read through the first slide, continue on to the second. You'll read all about the greenhouse effect and what greenhouse gases are. You have some interactives here. So make sure you document all you need to on that notes handout. And then go to slide 3. Then we have environmental indicators of climate change. Okay, and with this you have a video as well. Some information described by the EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency. We have reflecting on core concepts here, 4 questions. Then we have the catastrophic changes to ecosystems slide. And here they're talking about some catastrophes that have happened. So when you're ready, click on go and work through that interactive. Okay, and then you have some more core concepts to review here as well. Okay, and make sure you're documenting this information on your notes handout as needed. Okay, more impact on our ecosystems in terms of human impact here. Before there were natural catastrophic events, and now we have some human events. So human expansion, our choices, and our activities. Once you've completed that, go on to the next slide, and now we'll get into some sustainable practices. There's probably many things that you can think of, sustainable practices using renewable resources over non-renewable resources. So, and you have a video to go through there, and then don't forget to use the purple arrows as well. Okay, once you're done with this slide, then continue on to slide 7. Here you have a self-check, an interactive lesson here. And then we're to our final slide here, the impacts on our ecosystem. Okay, the final slide of the summary of the impacts on our ecosystem. Okay, so once you have completed all you feel you need to on your notes handout, remember, copy paste pictures over here, document as much as you possibly need to, as you're allowed to use these notes on your assignment. Okay, your assignment on this lesson is actually a multiple choice assignment. So there are 6 multiple choice questions that are worth a total of 24 points. Okay, so when you are ready to do that, you will click on your next button, you'll click on start, and you'll answer those 6 multiple choice questions. Okay, and just a little heads up, there are actually 2 assignments for this particular lesson, 0404B. Okay, 0404B will be in a next lesson. That's the next assignment that you'll be assigned following this one. Okay, for this lesson, read through the content, take your notes, and answer the 6 multiple choice questions. All right, guys, please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.